Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Math Time with Mrs. Jackson. I have set up where I have some manipulatives right here. I have some jelly beans, and they are in two different colors to help me see. I have 5 orange and 5 yellow. You do not have to use jelly beans. Use something you have already at home. And I also wanted to bring over the dominoes that I was talking to you about last video and using the doubles here. Okay, this is going to help us with our doubles lesson for today, which is use doubles 2.5. Okay, and the first thing we need to do is write our name and date. So if your name is Dominic, you're going to write Dominic. If your name is Mackenzie, you're going to write Mackenzie. If your name is Remy, you're going to write Remy. If your name is Abigail, you're going to write Abigail. But since my name is Mrs. Jackson, I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. Okay. And my date for today is 4-6-20. Okay. And we are going to start by reading our Explore and Grow problem. Use counters to model the story. So my counters today are going to be my jelly beans. You collect 4 shells. Okay. I'm going to circle my number 4. That's important. I'm going to go ahead and use 4 oranges for Mrs. Jackson. Okay. Your friend collects 4 shells. All right, so my friend collects 4 shells. I'm going to use 4 yellow jelly beans for her or for him. Okay. How many shells are there in all? So my problem is going to be 4 plus 4 equals. That's one of my doubles. So I need to start learning my doubles pretty quick. So here we go, 4 and 4. 4 and 4. 4 and 4 make 8. 4 and 4 make 8. If you're still unsure, double check by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 4 make 8. There are 8 shells. Okay, now let's look at the next part. You collect 4 shells. Okay, so I collect 4 shells. Your friend collects 5 shells. Okay, so we need to add one more here. 5 shells. How many shells are there in all? Now, boys and girls, there are 2 doubles that you can use. You could use 4 and 4 plus 1, or 5 and 5 minus 1. Okay? So, let's see. I'll do 4 and 4 plus 1 first. 4 plus 4, we already know is 8. And then my friend had one more, so plus 1 equals 9. Now I'm going to try it with the 5 double. 5 plus 5 equals. So we should know that 5 and 5. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. If you aren't sure, you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 make 10. Now you're going to minus 1 because there's only 4 on one side, and that equals 9. So whether you use the 4 and 4 double or the 5 and 5 double, your answer is still going to be 9. And remember, boys and girls, at any point in this video or when you are learning with Mrs. Jackson, feel free to to push pause and catch up. Okay? Okay, so now we're on the Think and Grow page. It says use the double 4 plus 4 to find the sum. Okay, so that's the sum when we do adding. So you notice right here, there's a plus for addition. So we're adding, so we're using 4 and 4 for our double. All right, let's go ahead and let's read what Newton said. 4 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 4 and 1 more. So that means 4 plus 4 equals, what, boys and girls? Very good, 8. And then 1 more. What is 8 plus 1? Use your fingers if you need to. 8 plus 1. Very good, 9. Okay. Up here you can see that they modeled it for you using the cubes. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes here. And then they have a plus 1 cube where you draw it. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. Okay. All right, now let's look at the other side for Descartes. 4 plus 3 is equal to 1 less than 4 plus 4. So that means 4 plus 4 equals 8 minus 1. So you have your 8 and you take away 1. So it makes 7. They modeled it here again with the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they crossed 1 out, making that 4 turn into a 3. And 4 and 3 make 7. Boys and girls, do you notice how we're using our doubles to help us with other problems? Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to model it for you on this page. And on the next page, I want to see you try on your own. So let's go ahead and let's look again. So we need to use the double. Use the double 3 plus 3 to find the sums. So I'm going to go ahead, put that back. I'm going to make 3 plus 3. Okay? And I'm going to remind myself what 3 and 3 make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 3 make 6. 3 and 3 make 6. My double, 3 and 3, makes 6. Okay? So now let's look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But my second number is 4. So if I remember up here, I need to draw in number 4. Okay? So I have 3 plus 3 plus 1. And like I said, 3 and 3 make 6. So I have 6 plus 1. And 6 plus 1 equals, very good, 7. Okay. And now let's look over here on the next side. It has 3 plus 2. Okay. We know 3 and 3 make 6. So I'm going to write my 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. But my second number is 2. So I need to cross it. I need to cross 1. And now I have 3 and 2. So if I know 3 and 3 make 6, then 6 minus 1 helps me get the number 5. 3 and 2 make 5. Okay. Now on this side, this is when I want you to do some by yourself. And it says use the double 2 and 2 to find the sum. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this here in case you need to use it to help you. And I want you to do this whole problem. Okay? All right? On this one, I want you to do number 3 on your own. Okay? And again, pause as you need to, complete as you need to, and then be ready to work with Mrs. Jackson. Okay? Now, I'm going to work on number 4 with you. Okay? The problem says, find the sum, write the double you used. Okay, so I need to find my sum, and I need to write the double that I used. Okay, so since it's an addition, I'm going to use 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4, my double is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. And we know that 4 and 4 make 8. Okay, so I wrote my double. That's what you're going to do right here. You're going to write your double that you used to find this problem. So here's my double for there. Now I know I have 4 plus 5. My double that I used is 4 and 4 make 8. So all I have left is 8 plus 1. Count on, boys and girls. What's 8 plus 1? 8, 9. Very good. So my answer is 9. All right. Now again, I want you to figure it out for 3 plus 4 equals Okay, what double are you going to use? Now, let's look at number 5. Number sequence. Use each card once to write 2 addition equations. 2 addition equations. Okay, so we have lots of 2's. 2 plus 2 equals what, boys and girls? Is it going to equal 3? No. Is it going to equal 2? No, it's your double. What's 2 and 2? What's 2 and 2, boys and girls? 4. Very good. Okay. Now I want you to figure out this one by yourself. What equation can you write using the number 2, the number 3, and the number 5? Okay. Can't wait to see your work on that. Okay. So now we're at the Think and Grow Modeling Real Life page. I'm going to do this one with you, and I want you to do number 6 on your own. Okay? You eat 4 grapes. Oh, so there we go. It's an important number. I eat 4 grapes. Your friend eats 1 more than you. How many grapes do you and your friend eat in all? Okay. So I know that I had 4. And it says that my friend ate 1 more than I did. So 1 more than I did. 4 and 1 more. 5. So my equation is 4 plus 5. Okay? Which double can I use to find the sum? Can we do 3 and 3? No. Can we do 4 plus 4 or 5 plus 5? Yes, we can. We could do either of those. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. I have my 5 and 5. I have my 4 and 4. Now let me use my materials I have here. So I'm going to use my 4 for me and my 5 for my friend. Okay. All right. So if I do 4 plus 4, it's going to look like, oops, I was about to write their sum. 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 1 more equals 9. Okay? So now I can look at my 5 and 5 double. So if I look at 5 and 5, I'm looking at my 5 and 5. I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, but I have 1 less, so minus 1 equals 9. Okay? So there are 9 grapes. All right? So you can decide, are you going to use this sum or this double or this double? All right? So that's how that one looks. Now, down here, when you're doing it on your own, let me help you read it. You have 5 toy cars. Oop, there's our important number, 5. Your friend has 1 fewer cars than you. How many cars do you and your friend have in all? So, 5 and 1 fewer. That's 4. 1 fewer, 4. Okay? Now I want you to figure it out. Which double are you going to use? So right here, you're going to pick the double that you're going to use. Are you going to use 4 plus 4 to help you, 6 plus 6 to help you, or 5 plus 5 to help you? You may choose 1. Okay, I chose 2 in mine because there are 2 different options. You can, if you feel comfortable, do 2, but I'm only requiring 1. Okay, I can't wait to see your work. All right, boys and girls, now we're on the practice page. So the model says use the double 3 plus 3 to find each sum. So right here, here's my 3 plus 3, and it's going to find the sum. Oopsie. So for 3 plus 4, I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and then I drew 1 more. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay? And we need 3 plus 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but I need 2, so I got to cross it out. Cross it out to make 2. And that makes 5. Okay? So it wants you to use the double 4 plus 4. You are doing it on your own. So use the double 4 plus 4. Okay? Make sure you're either adding 1 more, drawing it on, or crossing 1 off. All right. I also want you to do this one. And this one, you get to use the double that you find the sum and write the double you used. So 1 plus 2. What double are you going to use? Okay? 3 plus 2. What double are you going to use? All right. So now we're on the very last page for math for today. And this is part of your practice. So on number 4, it says, number sense, use each card once to write 2 addition equations. I will do one with you, and then I want you to do one on your own. Okay? So I notice that there's 3 3s. So one of those is probably going to be used, or 2 of those are probably going to be used for a double. So 3 plus 3. What did we say 3 and 3 was? Very good, it's 6. Okay, now you use the cards that are left to do this part of the problem. All right, number 5, modeling in real life. Newton catches 2 butterflies. Here's Newton's butterflies. Descartes catches 1 more than Newton. How many butterflies do Newton and Descartes catch in all? So Newton catches 2 and Descartes catches 1 more. So 2 that Descartes or that Newton caught, and Descartes catches one more. So how many butterflies do we need to draw for Descartes? 3. So I'm just going to draw 3 circles to help me. Okay? So I have 2 butterflies that Newton caught and 3 that Descartes caught. Now, which double can you use to find the sum? So check them out, and you think, which double are you going to use to find the sum? And then write how many butterflies all together. Okay? So you do that one. All right. Circle the model that shows the missing number. 2 plus equals 5. Okay, so 5 is our whole. So we need to see which number has the hole at the bottom. Oh, 7. Nope. Because 5 is our whole. 5 is at the bottom. Very good. So now I see 2. What's my missing part? 3. Here we go. And 8 is not my whole. All right, boys and girls, I absolutely love you. And now that I'm all finished with my math, I can eat my manipulatives. And I will catch you next time. Bye.